Assalamu alaikum. This one is going to be a really quick video. I have told you about an application. It pays you in cryptocurrency for doing surveys, but it does not pay you like normal surveys app. 5 cents or 2 cents for a single survey. No, it pays relatively big amount, so you can make good earnings from it, and that will be in cryptocurrency. So just go download this application and you will get a lot from this. I'm guaranteeing you this. So just download it and you can look at it in every 3 days, and you will have, I would say, around 5 to 6 surveys. These surveys will give you your earnings in TNC tokens. TNC tokens are the native tokens of this real research application. This application pays in TNCs which can be exchanged. They are listed tokens. So it is not airdrop, they are listed tokens. They are real tokens. They do have value and they can be exchanged. So you can get them withdrawal to anywhere you want, PayPal, Pioneer, even your own bank account. So just have a look at this quick video. So here you can see the real research app. You just open it up. At first you will have to undergo a registration process, which is very simple. You simply enter your email and all that. Now coming to the point, you have to verify up to at least 5 levels of KYC, and this KYC does not need any documentation. You simply go to KYC. Actually it shows you a notification. I have turned it off myself so it doesn't bother me. You see, I have a complete 12 levels of verification. You need to complete at least, see, 3 are required but 5 are recommended. And I can show you the questions. They are simply age, name, gender, and these type of things. You do them and then you can start getting service. So how do you actually earn from this? You see, you go to the service section. Here you can find the surveys that are ongoing, and when you have some surveys here, actually I don't have some right now because I have already claimed all of them. You see, I'll show you the history in participated. I did one for 6 TNC, then other for 5 TNC, and other for 6, and one for even 10 TNC, and they took, I should say, even less than 4 minutes. So if an average survey is taking 4 minutes and 6 TNCs, so 1 TNC is right now worth $0.03. So if you multiply it by 6, that makes $0.18, a huge amount to be earned within 3 minutes. So that is why I recommend you to download this app straight away. And what's more, you can withdraw it. Let me go to my wallet and show you. You can see my transactions, and see, I have sent 60 TNCs. Before that I sent 10 TNCs, so I have withdrawn it, and I can demonstrate the withdrawal process as whole later. So right now just download this application and start working on it. Do your KYC up to level 5 and then do the service that you get. The withdrawal process is on and you can convert your TNCs to real dollars real quick. But first I suggest that you hold them, because this application charges a straight away fees of 10 TNC per withdrawal. So the more TNC you withdraw, the less you lose. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and keep logged on.